The green status on Cash App refers to the green building icon next to your username, indicating a verified business account, Cash for Business. This unlocks features like unlimited receiving limits, credit card payments at 2.75% fee versus 3% personal, and faster deposits, ideal for sellers, freelancers, or e-commerce. Personal accounts use a simple profile icon. Business shows the green building for transparency. It's free to set up but incurs 2.5% fee on standard receives. Eligibility: 18 plus US resident. Valid SSN or EIN. Business details: name, type, website optional. Linked bank or debit for verification. Steps: open Cash App. Tap Profile, top right circle. Scroll to Privacy and Security. Tap Cash for Business or Upgrade to Business. Toggle Enable Cash for Business. Enter business info, name, EIN if applicable. Verify identity. Upload ID, driver's license and passport, and selfie, or enter SSN. Link bank. Provide routing, account numbers. Confirm via micro deposits, 1 to 3 days. Review terms, fees, compliance. Submit. Approval: instant to 24 hours. Post setup: green building appears on your profile and cash tag. Customize: add business bio and logo in settings. To revert: profile, business. Downgrade to personal, loses green status.